Hey, it's Hope from the IO Paris channel asking you to envision a summer spent in Paris, the beacon of love, illumination, and the majestic Sacré Cœur Basilica. Visualize the sun sinking, spreading a golden glow over the alabaster domes of this magnificent structure. Nestled in the core of Montmartre, the basilica looms large, a symbol of antiquity and sophistication. The sweeping view from its apex is absolutely awe-inspiring. As you climb its winding staircase, each stride uncovers a fresh vista of the city that truly vibrates with life. Within, the splendor persists. The mosaic dome, a paradise for art enthusiasts, narrates anecdotes of bygone eras in vivid hues and complex designs. Tranquility here is priceless, the serenity, almost palpable. Summer of 2024, the Sacré Cœur Basilica summons you. It's not merely a tour, but a voyage through epics, a peek into the essence of Paris. Paris, Sacré Cœur, summer and heritage, a fusion promising an exceptional escapade. Can you hear the call? Bye for now.
Creation, brought to you by IOU More.